Hi everyone. In this Navisworks Manage Search Tools Explain tutorial, I will show you how to easily find objects such as pipes, equipment, or any tag items in the Navisworks Manage. And we will find these equipment and pipes with the help of PNID. I have this PNID and probably you guys will find same PNID in your company to search these equipments or pipes to work on. Let's say I want to find this vessel in the model. I have this model and this model is too big and it's very difficult to identify the vessel is where located. We have to click on the model here, whole model, and type the vessel name. I will type the vessel name and this is my vessel name and click on search and it start finding the vessel. The vessel is here, and if you want to see only the vessel, right click here, click on see, click on view selected, and you will see the vessel. This is the vessel which we are looking for. Same way, if let's say if you want to see only around the vessel, for that click on viewpoint, click on enable sectioning, click here on box and click on fit selection. You will see only the vessel. And if you want to increase or decrease the space, we have to click on scale here and we can increase and decrease the space nearby to review the vessel. Now we will find a pipe. Same way, let's say this pipe I want to find in the model. Click here and click on home and type the pipe name, click search. We found the pipe here. Same way, right click, scene and view selected. This is the pipe. Again, if you want to see only that pipe, we have to click on viewport, enable sectioning, click on box and fit selection. So you will see only the selected pipe. If you want to change the color of this pipe, right click here and click on override items, override color and change the color here. If you want to go back to the full model, click on enable sectioning here and we are back in the full model. So in this way, we can find any pipe, equipment or tag item in Navisworks Manage.